Hey guys, I've got a new trade offer and it's gonna be in 3 parts, and this first part is squishies, and I'm gonna start with the rare ones. And here I've got a pie chow, or however you say it. This is original, so this is not reproduced. So this is really, really rare. Never been opened, so no defects. By the way, all these squishies that I'm showing today are original. Nothing is reproduced whatsoever. So don't even ask. Next, I have another pie jar, but this has been opened, and this is kind of defected, or really defected actually. It's got cracks around the well, it's not super defected, but it's got cracks. But it's not falling apart or anything. It's just like on the top that it's like cracked around the bumps. The back has got a rip there, but apart from that, the back's alright. And that's the packaging. I've got this roti toast, the robot face. No defects apart from the print here on the packaging has stained the squishy a bit. I don't know if you can see, it's a bit pink there, but it's not a huge deal. But that's the only defect. Next, got some Hello Kitty squishies. This is the powdered donut with the tag and the original packaging. Like I said, everything is original. This has got some minor cracks around the bow. They are really, really tiny, but they're definitely there, so I do want you to know about that. There, can you see there? And it's like that around the bow, but like I said, it's kind of minor. And then it's got some cracks in the middle. You can see there, there, yeah. But they are minor cracks. Oops, excuse me. No cracks on the back, so it's just those minor cracks around the center and around the bow. And this one, original packaging there, and this has got some defects. See some cracks there. See, down here, it's not, oh, what am I doing? They're not huge, but they are definitely there, so I think there's a small, yeah, there's a tiny crack. The white part is actually manufacturing defect, so, but there is a small crack there in the white bit. No cracks there, but yeah. Right, these small cracks on the front. Don't think there are any on the back, not that I can see anyway. So yeah. Next I've got this macaroon. The packaging has been open. It was like this when I got it, but I've never taken it out. And the packaging is not ripped, it's just that the here where it's supposed to be closed like that, it's just hasn't been closed properly. So the packaging is not ripped or anything, so it's perfectly fine. It's just that it's open at the top. And I've got the yellow one. This is unopened. And again, everything is original, so nothing is reproduced. I'm sorry for going on about that. I just want to point that out. That's, you know, because these are actually rare. So this is a mini donut, the hot pink one, and another one, and a chocolate one. Never been opened, so no defects. I've got this jumbo donut, no defects apart from a manufacturing. It's just a thingy. I don't know. It's just like a. It's not a like a mark. It's just a thing. I don't know what it is. But yeah, this has never been opened, so manufacturing thingy. This jumbo donut, original packaging. It's just I put a an extra bag around the original packaging, so that's why it looks a bit bulky. But this has got original packaging as well. Yeah, never been opened, so no defects. And this one, no defects, and original packaging. And the last jumbo donut, this one. And next I've got this My Melody bun, no defects, never been opened. And I've got this capybara sun white bun, no defects, never been opened. This Hello Kitty in a melon costume, no defects apart from the tag has been it's a bit banged up because my son got to it. He accidentally ripped the tag just a tiny bit there, but yeah, nothing major, it's just that tiny bit. So that's the only defect. And there's My Melody in a Union Jack costume, no defects. Yeah, and then I've got this. I don't know if this is rare or not. If it's not, then oh well. But I'm just gonna throw this in here. Hello Kitty. It's definitely licensed, but I don't know if it's rare or not. So, but anyway, no defects. And I've got a squeeze toy. This is obviously not rare, but I'm just throwing this in here. Never been opened, so no defects. It's Doraemon. I think that's his name. So yeah, that was all the rare squishies I have. And next I've got some regular squishies. And first I've got this mini panda bun, and it's got a rip there on the back and got a little mark there. And the Sulakuma donut, the drizzles, like coming off a bit there, and in the middle right there. I don't think it's got any cracks. And the paint's a bit faded almost, the blue, but I think those are the only defects. And I've got this mini waffle a thingy there. It's a manufacturing thing. Really soft. Excuse me. And this mini turtle bun. And the eyes are a bit like uneven, but that's obviously a manufacturing thing. And it's got a rip there and rip there around the eye pin there. This mini toast, no cracks, I don't think. Not that I can see anyway. Next I've got this really cool mat in a mushroom costume. I've never opened this as far as I can remember, so I don't know if there are any defects, to be honest. Maybe I have opened it like once or something. Oh yeah, it's got this manufacturing defect right there. It's like a mark, like a dent. But I think, yeah, no, a little air bubble there. But I think that's it. And the original packaging there. And then I have also got the Katori in a mushroom costume. I don't think this has got, no, it's got a tiny thingy there. I think that's the only, defect. Oh, tiny mark, like a paint mark or something there. I've got these Disney squishies. No defects on Stitch, and on Pluto there's a thingy there on the ear, a white mark, and Mickey has got a mark there on the ear, and tiny mark on the back. I think those are the only defects. And obviously you don't have to trade for all three of them, they just happen to be in the same packaging. This Hello Kitty waffle, I've never opened this, so I don't think there are any defects. And this waffle with red drizzle, it's got a mark on the bow there, like a tiny, it's like a rip. And some like little marks on it, and a few air bubbles, and a paint mark there, and some air bubbles, as you can see. But apart from that, should be fine, I think. I've got this party bun or gourmet bun. No defects, I think. There's just a pink thing in there. Yeah, and the packaging there. This mini bun, no defects. This Rilakkuma lime, no defects. That's two actually. This Hello Kitty Remint cake roll, never been opened, no defects. And that's another one. And this Hello Kitty donut. There's yeah, no, I don't think it's got any defects. Not that I've been able to find anyway. And it's got stretchy cellphone strap. Yeah, I got another mini turtle bun. I don't think this is cracked. No. And the eyes are a bit uneven on that one as well, but air bubble there. Super soft. This mini muffin, it's got a mark there and here. Rilakkuma cake roll, purple one, no defects, I don't think. No, actually it's got a mark there, or I think it's an air bubble. Yeah, it's an air bubble. This mini loaf, it's a mark there. But yeah, little mark there, but it looks fine, and it's got black saffron strap. This mirror, these marks here are actually from the ball chain because it's been lying like that. So, but no cracks on the back. It's got a manufacturing thing there, so like a paint mark, and a couple of air bubbles in the like frosting, but other than that, it's fine. And a ball chain, Rilakkuma burger, mark there. And like a tiny rip there, and a marking there. This yeah, this ear has got a dent there, and yeah, it's got a rip there, right there. And there's a bubble there, and a tiny rip there as well, and like some minor cracking here and there, but nothing major. Excuse me. Got this ice cream cone. Don't think it's got any defects, not that I've been able to find. It's just a manufacturing thingy right there, and jump ring there. Rilakkuma cake or something. I don't know what this is called. Yeah, no defects, I think. This ice cream scoop. Yeah, you don't need to offer well at all for this. It's got a mark there and the drizzle's come off, but this would be good for like deco or something. This mini cake. Yeah, this is kind of defective. It's got a piece of the whipped cream missing there. And some manufacturing defect, like some air bubbles and stuff. So no need to offer well for that either. And another really cool donut. Paint's a bit wonky on the ear there. And there's a dent on that ear. Oops. And there's a mark there. This really Kuma laying down. Hang on. This has got some manufacturing defects. These dents on the head, on the ear, and the stomach there. Next I've got this cat bun, and the paint's faded a bit on the face. It's got a cell phone strap and a lanyard. That mark there. And it's a bit faded on the back as well, but it's super soft. And an air bubble there and a mark there. This really Kuma dangle. The only defect is that it's got a crack right there. But that's the only defect, and it smells so good. It smells like coconut. And I've got this. There's a manufacturing thingy on the back there, like a little mark, but that's the only defect, I think. I haven't been able to find any. Please excuse the noises. I've got this really Kuma bun. It's got manufacturing defect there above the eye, and yeah, dent there and there. But yeah, it's really soft and squishy. And that's the packaging. This really Kuma macaron. It's got some cracks on the whipped cream there, like and the paint is a bit uneven there, but I think that's it. And this really Kuma bun with the chocolate drizzle. No defects, I think, apart from a couple of marks there, manufacturing marks. And I've got a blue macaron as well. Air bubble there, crack there, air bubble, and crack there, and there. But I think it's alright otherwise, and the stretchy 7 strap. And really Kuma lemon. No defects, not been opened. Got this jumbo bun. I think that one eye is like slightly coming off somewhere. I think like here, a tiny bit, but nothing major whatsoever. And I think that's the only defect. And this Anpan Man bun. Yeah, I think it's got like a couple of manufacturing defects on the back. Yeah, like a mark, a couple of marks there, and a mark there by the eye, the eyebrow. But I think that's it. yeah, I think that was all the squishies. I can't find any more at the moment anyway. So yeah, stay tuned for part 2 of this trade offer.